Hey guys, so found something really interesting at my school or behind my woodwork shop. I believe that's an 80s Plebe or something, maybe a Compton. I cannot see the trapway from here. It's like a Plebe. Trapway isn't busted on that, is it? I hope not. We've got everyone's favorite fat tank Cadet right here. Lever's like fucked. Makes me wonder their condition. Oh, it looks like someone gutted their whole bathroom here. Then, that is not all. There's a third one over there. It's got a nice seat. Looks to be like a Cranada or Canadian Plebe. There's another fat Cadet tank up there too. Don't know if it's on a bull. Holy shit. There is another toilet up there. I believe that's a Cranada. Fuck, they've got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bloody toilets. That is unreal. Like one of these days, I'm gonna ask if I can check it out, because I'd be interested, like the Plebe and Cadets. Those ones. Yeah. Sorry that it's blurry. As you can see, I've been filming behind this fence. Yeah, see you guys later.